What can you make this time of year out of your Christmas tree and other evergreens? Lots of stuff, actually. We're going to talk all about it in our upcoming DIY herbal holiday gifts class, so check that out. But today I wanted to just give you a few ideas. So we're gonna make some tea and some herbal infused vinegar. We can make herb infused salt too, and of course lots and lots of decorations. We also can make one of my favorites, which are cleansing herbal burning sticks. So some of you may know these as smudge sticks, but I choose not to call them that because it's cultural appropriation. And also sage, which most are made out of that people know about, is also threatened because people over harvest it for burning because they only know that one as the one you can burn. But actually, there's a lot of other herbs that you can burn and a lot of others that were burned throughout history in all parts of the year. Just like this juniper, which some people call red cedar, but interestingly enough, isn't a cedar at all. We can even see these little juniper berries on there too. So I love making a burning stick out of this one, and it is really popular with the Native American tribes in the eastern US, and it is not threatened, so that's pretty awesome. There are a lot of trees that you can burn that are evergreens, like firs and pines and spruces and other junipers and cedars as well, the true cedars. So lots of options out there. And they've been doing all this research that shows that burning herbs actually does clear the air. So it can clear bacteria and viruses from the air along with clearing the emotional energy. So super great for lots of things. And I'm going to show you in a Patreon video at patreon.com/thewanderschool. Check the links below, how to make your own herbal cleansing smoke bundle. So check that out and join me there so you can make it yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with all of your herb loving friends, and leave some comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much.